Dad, are we leaving now?
Almost, Ben. I am packing the last few things.
You said that 2 minutes ago. And you asked the same question 3 times.
Yes, and now he is asking again.
I want to go to the big climbing frame first.
First, you will say good morning properly.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad. Good morning, Emily. Now can we go?
That was very fast.
Because the playground is waiting for me.
The playground can wait 2 more minutes.
Ben, where is your water bottle? I think it is in my room. What a surprise.
Families help each other remember things.
And some people need more help than others.
I got it. Today is gonna be the best day ever.
You say that every weekend.
Dad, can you drive a little faster?
No.
Sit back properly, Ben.
Your body is sitting.
Your mind is jumping.
My mind is already at the playground.
What do you want to do first?
The climbing frame, then the slide, then football, then maybe ice cream.
That sounds like a very full day.
Please do not do anything silly today.
Why do you always say that to me?
Because you are always one idea away from trouble.
Today you promised to be careful.
I know. I promised.
Good. Then let us have a happy day.
Wow. There are so many kids here today.
Stay where we can see you.
And remember what we said in the car.
Be careful. Yes, I know.
Do not say it like that.
Like what?
Like safety is boring.
Safety is a little boring.
It is also important.
Can I go now?
Yes, but not too far.
I am coming with you.
And no rushing. And no rushing.
Watch me. I'm almost there. Look how fast I'm going. Dad, I know how to climb. Then do not make one. I will not. I will not.
Use both hands and both feet. Good climbers still make mistakes.
It looks even taller from here.
I am watching. That is the problem.
No. It means it is exciting or dangerous.
Maybe that means you should choose something else.
No. It means it is exciting. Or dangerous.
Use both hands and both feet.
And no rushing. And no rushing.
Dad, I know how to climb.
Good climbers still make mistakes.
Then do not make one. I will not. Watch me. I'm almost there. Look how fast I'm going.
I am watching. That is the problem.
Look, I am already halfway up.
That was fast. Too fast.
Slow down, Ben.
Keep your eyes on your hands.
I am fine. I am nearly at the top.
The higher you go, the more careful you need to be. Ben,
It just looks higher from up here.
Then stop for a second. Take a breath.
you do not need to prove anything. I know you're trying, and that's all that matters.
I am okay. I just want one more step.
Your voice does not sound okay.
Wait!
Hold still!
Oh no!
Ben! Ben, look at me!
Do not move him too fast.
Mom. Something is wrong.
Where does it hurt?
Ben, can you move your fingers?
It is okay. Stop. Do not move it.
Emma, his arm looks wrong.
Mom, please do something. I will. I promise.
Hello, my son fell at the playground. He cannot move his arm, and it looks wrong. Please come quickly.
Dad, is it broken?
I do not know yet.
Look at me, Ben. Stay with me.
I want the pain to stop.
I am here too, Ben.
I do not like this.
I do not like it either.
Is the ambulance coming now?
Yes.
Why does it feel so slow?
Because you are hurting, sweetheart.
I wish it would stop.
It will, I promise.
Listen to Mom. Breathe slowly.
I am not going anywhere.
Promise?
Promise.
We are all here. Keep talking to us. About anything.
You can say I am your favorite sister. You are my only sister. Am I gonna be okay?
Yes, my love. We are all here with you.
Listen,
I hear it.
the ambulance?
Yes, help is here.
Hello, Ben. My name is James. I am a paramedic. I am going to help you.
My arm hurts so much.
I know. I will be very careful.
He fell from the top of the climbing frame.
He was quiet for a few seconds after the fall. Ben, did you hit your head?
I do not think so. Just my arm.
Ben, I need to put a splint on your arm. It will help keep it still.
Will it hurt?
A little at first, yes. But it will help after that.
I do not want it.
Hold my hand. Hold it as hard as you want.
Mom. It hurts! It hurts!
You are doing well, Ben.
I am right here.
Look at me. Not your arm. Look at me.
Good. Just a little more. Done. The splint is on.
It still hurts.
Yes, but now your arm is safer.
I am coming with you.
We are right behind you.
I thought today would be fun. I know. Everything changed so fast.
Yes. Sometimes that happens, and it feels unfair.
What if my arm stays like this?
It will not. The doctors will help you.
Are you scared too?
Yes, very.
Then who is being brave?
Maybe both of us. I do not want a hospital.
I know. But this is where people help. Ben. Dad, is my arm broken?
We will know soon.
Hello, Ben. I am Dr. Kim.
Hello.
I heard you had a very bad fall today. Yes. I am sorry. That must have been frightening.
It was.
I need to take an x-ray of your arm. What is that again?
It is a special picture. It helps me see your bones.
I need to move your arm a little.
Please be careful.
I will.
Good. Stay still. Almost there. Done.
Is it finished? One more.
I do not want one more.
One at a time, sweetheart. Good job. You are working very hard.
I do not feel brave.
You do not have to feel brave to be brave. Why is she looking like that?
I do not know.
Ben is a very brave boy.
Please tell us.
This is not a small injury. Ben has 2 breaks in his arm.
2 breaks?
2?
2 sounds bad.
It is serious, but it can be treated. What happens now?
We need a specialist to help us.
So now we wait?
Yes.
Mom? Yes, my love? Will my arm be okay again?
Yes.
Will I play again? Yes, but not soon.
Football too?
Yes.
Football too. Are you only saying that because I am scared?
No. We are saying it because we believe it. If you cannot climb for a while, I will climb badly in your place and make you laugh.
That is not funny.
It is a little funny. Is he coming now?
Soon,
Did they say anything?
Only that he is on the way.
Do you want to hear a bad joke?
Only if it is really bad.
Hello, Ben. I am Dr. Patel.
Hello.
I looked at your arm very carefully. Oh.
Is it bad?
There is some good news.
please tell us.
Ben will not need surgery. Thank God.
Thank God. Really?
But you will need a cast.
A cast? You will need it for about 6 weeks. 6 weeks? Oh, that is long. That feels like forever.
I know. But it will not feel forever, one day at a time.
What is all that?
The things we need to make your cast.
You both told me to be careful. That is not important right now.
Right now, we help you.
You do not need to feel bad. It was an accident.
Yes. Now we just get you better.
We are starting now.
Squeeze my hand.
You are doing better than before.
Way better. It still feels bad. Fine. 2 full hours of nice sister behavior. That sounds fake.
Almost done.
Okay.
You are doing so well.
It is done.
It looks big.
It feels big. It is over.
Yes. Not all over.
No climbing frames, no rough play, and we keep the cast dry.
I do not even want to see a climbing. We can draw on it later. Really?
Many children do.
That is the first good thing I heard in a long time.
Then we keep going from there.
I want to go home now. We are going home. Blanket delivery. Thank you. Home feels different.
Sometimes safe feels different after a bad day.
Thank you for staying with me.
Always.
Thank you too.
Obviously. We are a team. How do you feel now?
Tired. Strange. Better. Your arm looks important now.
It feels important too.
We can stay here until you sleep.
Really?
Of course. I will tell bad jokes until you heal.
That sounds dangerous too. A different kind of dangerous.
You do not have to go if you are not ready. I want to try.
You only need to get through one day, not all the days.
Just one day?
Just one.
I carry the bag. You carry the attitude.
I do not have attitude. What if everybody stares? Then let them stare.
You still walk in.
You are doing fine.
I am doing nervous. Ben? What happened?
That cast is huge.
Did it hurt a lot?
Yes. a lot. It is really big. It is okay. I would cry.
I did cry.
That still counts as brave.
Good morning, Ben. I am glad you came.
Good morning.
How are you feeling today?
A little strange. Can I ask? Well,
In a kind way, yes.
this room will be kind to you. Okay.
I climbed too fast. Then I slipped.
Then I fell. And everything felt wrong. I was scared before the ambulance came. My mom stayed with me. My dad called for help. Emily stayed close too. Now I have this cast, and I have to wait until my arm heals. You were very brave. I was scared.
Brave people are often scared.
Can I sign it? Okay. I am making a star. Make it a good one.
It needs a football, too.
That is my arm, not a poster. Save some space for me. I did. It looks less scary now.
Good.
Good. How was school?
Better than I thought.
Who drew the football?
Lucas,
I like it.
I like it. I should have listened more. Yes.
That matters now.